once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. This is Sam with Blended Family Forkery, where we are cleaning up real messes and, budgeting on a real tight income. Again, thank you for joining. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
As you can see, these shelves are pretty gross looking. Like, just some things have gotten stuck or spilled or whatever. I'm not going to pull out the drawers or anything out of the door just because this is just a real quick straighten up slash wipe down of the refrigerator. I actually did this early in the morning so that I could go straight to the grocery store and get almost $400 worth of groceries. I mean, we had like nothing. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just wiping it down before I can fill it up.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet.
Jesus. Freaking Joe. Joe Kitty. Oi.
Causes mayhem, we could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race, life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So as you can see, again, I really don't have much to put back in the refrigerator. Like, we have some basics, couple yogurts, lunch meat and hot dogs, and some carrots, but like, we don't have anything in the freezer. So, like I said a little bit ago, our grocery bill was $400 that week. And I believe it was last week when I went grocery shopping because we had nothing. That's partially the reason, but also, like, how is everybody else handling the inflation? Like, what we used to spend, we've been a family of five since 2018. And, I don't think we've bought anything vaguely or drastically or whatever different. We get pretty much the same kinds of things, and it's just $100 to $200 more than we used to spend. So yeah, how are y'all holding up with that? Let me know in the comments.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
The kitchen really didn't look all that bad from afar, but I don't think I've ever seen the island so just disgusting. Like, the kids would play with their kinetic sand on the counter. Harley had this little unicorn head that you grew crystals on, and then you painted the crystals, and those crystals were all over the counter. There was paper everywhere, trash everywhere, so I needed to really just deep clean this entire kitchen and counter and the floors around it. It was just awful, you guys.
You ask for more than I can take, push me down to my back breaks, work myself to the death and still I'm never satisfied. The more I try to keep things straight, the more they blow up in my face. Somehow feels like the faster that I run myself, the slower I arrive. So I'm stepping back to a new basket you break. Got some things gonna say straight to my face. Cut the cord to seeing it in my brain. I feel alive again. I'm breaking up with me. I really don't care what I think. I'm gonna kick me to the curb and pick me back up where the critic fell. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. I'm free to finally live and let me breathe. I'm gonna spread my wings. I'm breaking these chains that I've worn so well. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. Counting stars when I can't sleep, chasing down all my daydreams. Still the voices inside my head are tearing me apart. They're telling me I'm a failure, crying out for a savior. I'm scared of where this will go, and so before I break my heart, I'm breaking up with me. I really don't care what I think. Gonna kick me to the curb and pick me back up where the critic fell. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. I'm free to finally live and let me breathe. Gonna spread my wings. I'm breaking these chains that I've worn so well. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. Stepping back to a new basket you break. Got some things gonna say straight to my face. Cut the cord with the cynic in my brain. I feel alive again. I'm breaking up with me. I really don't care what I think. I'm gonna kick me to the curb and pick me back up where the critic fell. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. I'm free to finally live and let me breathe. I'm gonna spread my wings. I'm breaking these chains that I've worn so well. Cause I'll never be good enough for myself. You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in a dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the weak, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head make me forget I'm such a mess. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it, still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin, and I'm overdosing. You're my oxytocin. I put the rescue all on you. As we lay in your driveway, you look at the stars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you close. As we lay in your driveway, like we're chasing cars, with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you closer.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, everyone. If you are not already, I hope you will subscribe for any future content that I'm going to post. I have another video coming up. I'm going to try to post it this week if I can get to it, if not this weekend. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.